Hi, welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making homemade chicken noodle soup. To start with, you want to cut up 1/3 cup of onions. While you're cutting your onions, make sure you cut them into smaller pieces so that way they blend better into your soup. Next, we're going to cut up 1/2 cup of carrots. Again, cut these into smaller pieces. The carrots that I'm using are baby carrots, but you can use full-size ones. It's your choice. Next, cut up 1 stalk of celery, again cut in small pieces. So you're going to add all of your vegetables into a medium to large size pot, which you're going to put in 6 cups of water. And then once you have that all in, then you're going to add your chicken, which you're going to need at least 2 cups of cooked chicken. Doesn't matter if it's breast, meat, thigh, whatever you want to use, it's your choice. To that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. This is what's going to give you your flavor. Stir up everything in your pot to make sure it's mixed through. Next, you're adding salt and pepper. This is to taste. You can add as much or as little as you want. Just remember, if you're on a salt restricted diet, don't put in a lot. So you can turn the temperature up on the pot until you get this to boil. You want to get everything in your vegetables cooked through. You do not want to add the egg noodles yet. You want to make sure that your vegetables are tender, especially your carrots. Once everything is brought up to temperature and you do have soft vegetables, then you can go ahead and add in 2.5 cups of egg noodles. Just pour them in a bit at a time and then mix them through. So cooking the original vegetables probably would have been about 20 minutes. To add the egg noodles in, you're going to want to cook for at least another 10 minutes to get them to the temperature and make them soft enough for what they should be for a soup. Once you're done, you're going to have a good chicken noodle soup. This is good for lunch, dinner, whatever you want to serve, and it serves quite a lot, so this is enough for a whole family to eat. So there you have it, homemade chicken noodle soup. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on the next video.